Ready?
We're rolling? Okay. Good morning, guys. It's Soshi here. So, if you're working on your ABCs, you know you have the alphabet song, right? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and that's all good stuff. But if you're working on your Japanese A, U, E, O, there's no song. There's just no song. So, you can try the alphabet song and go A, I, U, E, O, Ka, Ki, Ku, Ke. Come on, that's not going to work towards the end. So, and we need an original Japanese A, I, U, E, O song. And I gave it some thought, and I came up with an idea. So, this just might be the ultimate A, I, U, E, O song. And what you need is a rhythm. Got it? Yeah, you got it. A, E, U, E, O, Ka, Ki, Ku, Ke, Go, Sa, Shi, Su, Se, So, Ta, Chi, Tsu, Te, Do, Na, Ni, Nu, Ne, No, Ha, Ri, Fu, Hey, Hey, Ho, Ma, Mi, Mo, Me, Mo, Ya, you, yo.
Yeah, you, yo.
That's right, you got it. Ya, you, yo.
Yeah, you, yo.
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 Nani ru re ro wa ho. So, that's the Japanese A, I, U, E, O song, okay? So, good luck with your Japanese education, and you're welcome.